Packing for a trip can be overwhelming, but with the right travel organizers and smart packing hacks, you can maximize space, stay organized, and make your journey stress-free. Whether you're going on a short weekend getaway or a long international vacation, Amazon has a variety of products that can help streamline the packing process. Here are some of the best travel organizers and packing hacks to keep your luggage tidy and efficient. First, packing cubes for organized luggage. Why you need it. Packing cubes are one of the most popular travel accessories because they help separate different categories of clothing, allowing for a more organized suitcase. Instead of digging through a messy bag, you can grab the cube you need and keep everything in place. Packing tip. Use different colored cubes for each type of clothing, one for tops, one for bottoms, one for undergarments, etc. This makes finding what you need a breeze. Second, compression bags for saving space. Why you need it. Compression bags are a must-have if you're packing bulky items like winter clothes, jackets, or thick sweaters. They remove excess air, allowing you to fit more into your suitcase without increasing weight. Packing tip. Use compression bags for non-wrinkling clothes such as workout gear, pajamas, and socks to maximize suitcase space while keeping your formal wear separate and neat. Third, a hanging toiletry bag for easy access. Why do you need it? Well, a hanging toiletry bag keeps all your bathroom essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible, making it especially useful in hotels or Airbnbs with limited counter space. Here's a packing tip: store travel-sized toiletries in leak-proof containers and keep liquids in a resealable plastic bag to prevent spills. Fourth, travel bottles for leak-proof liquids. Why do you need them? Many travelers prefer to carry their own shampoo, conditioner, and lotions instead of using hotel-provided products. TSA-approved travel bottles make it easy to transport your favorite liquids without leaks. Packing tip. Place a small piece of plastic wrap under the bottle cap before screwing it on to add an extra layer of protection against leaks. Fifth, travel shoe bags for clean packing. Why do you need them? Shoes can be one of the dirtiest items in your suitcase. Using dedicated shoe bags keeps them separate from clean clothes and prevents dirt from spreading. Packing tip: stuff socks, chargers, or other small items inside your shoes to utilize every inch of space. Sixth, electronics organizer for tangle-free cords. Why you need it. Nothing is more frustrating than untangling headphones, chargers, and cables while on the go. An electronics organizer keeps everything neatly stored and easily accessible. Packing tip: use twist ties or Velcro straps to bundle cords before placing them in the organizer to prevent tangling. Seventh, travel pill organizer for easy medication management. Why you need it. If you take daily vitamins or medications, a travel pill organizer ensures you don't miss a dose and keeps everything in one place. Packing tip: label your medications clearly and bring extra doses in case of travel delays. Eighth, neck pillow and sleep mask for comfort. Why you need it. Long flights and road trips can be exhausting. A good neck pillow and sleep mask help you rest comfortably and arrive refreshed. Packing tip. Choose an inflatable travel pillow to save space when not in use. Ninth, RFID blocking passport holder for security. Why you need it. In today's digital world, RFID blocking passport holders protect your personal information from electronic theft. Packing tip. Store a photocopy of your passport inside the holder as a backup in case of loss. 10th, collapsible water bottle for hydration. Why you need it. Traveling can be dehydrating, and a reusable water bottle ensures you always have access to water without carrying bulky bottles. Packing tip. Fill your bottle after passing airport security to stay hydrated during flights. Bonus packing hacks. Use dryer sheets in your suitcase to keep clothes smelling fresh. Roll clothes instead of folding to save space and prevent wrinkles. Place belts inside shirt collars to help them maintain their shape. Keep heavier items at the bottom of your suitcase for better weight distribution. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel organizers and packing hacks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips. Let us know in the comments which travel essential is your must-have. Safe travels and see you in the next video.